What's up, guys? Welcome to Built for Performance. Tony finally showed up for one. Got Brandon over here.
You finally got me beer.
Whatever, you bring beer every single time. Today we're working on the Subaru again. You guys saw the last video where we installed the reverse lights, and I did get the tag lights. He ended up having some. We're gonna be installing the fourth brake light, which is that one. So it goes right here, this comes out, and it goes in to here, and then you hook it up to the brake lights or third brake light. I haven't really decided which one I wanted to do. Sorry about the other noise. My dad's washing his car, trying out my new foam cannon. So let's get to it. So we're gonna unbox it. I already unboxed it, but here's the light. So you got the brake light here and the reverse lights in the center. So
Get the ducks in there?
we're getting to the peeling part. Tony wants me to peel this off.
I wanted to do it. Did you get video of the ducks? They're over here.
Here, peel it off.
Must be my job.
So yeah, let's see what we gotta do.
Peel it off.
So let's see what we gotta do. So,
Where's your screwdriver?
we gotta undo these clips
Clear.
right here. Yep. And here. And then this will come down a little bit easier. And then up in there, there's two clips. And it pops this cover off.
Alright.
So Brandon's doing that. You know I have tools for that, right?
I like living life on the edge.
Strong hands.
Well, go on, strong hands.
Strong.
Go ahead, pull that one out. Go on. What's that?
You broke it.
I didn't break anything. Break it. You coming to help?
There's two clips. One right here and one right here. And they pop out and then it comes out. Got that?
Yeah. There you go. Difficult.
It is. I feel like they're staring at the...
Like that. That'll work.
So we got the cover out. Now we gotta run the wires to here, figure out what we're gonna hook it to, whether it's the regular brake lights or the fourth or third brake light, and then the reverse lights. So we gotta take this off, and then there should be two grommets, and one of those is where we're gonna put the wires through. So yeah, we're gonna get that off and come. There's pop clip here, focus, pop clip here, pop clip here. Now this should just pop out like that. And I think we're gonna go with one of these, but there's also ones over here. So we're gonna figure out which one we want to go through. We're gonna go through this grommet right here, and then we're gonna go up through here. We gotta take this off, and then we'll access the reverse light, and then we're gonna take the other wire up through here, come over here, and then tap into this for the third brake light, because it pulses when it brakes. So yeah, so we hooked a hole in the grommet. We got the wires through right there, but now we're trying to figure out how to put this in so that it doesn't move or anything. Trying to figure out how to fasten it. We think we have an idea, so when he gets this back out, we'll take a look. Alright, so I completely forgot about these, but it actually comes with clips. I forgot because Brandon told me to put these away because we weren't using them, even though they came with the kit, but they come with these little clips, and I think that's what they're
We're not using the connectors, which are these pieces of junk. Never use these. Unless you want to catch yourself on fire.
But they come with these little clips. And they go on the hole and clip in. Yeah, go in here. So they go in here, and there's holes on each side. One over there and one over here. And those clips go in, I think. So we'll get those in and show you. They go in like that. It's right there. So, yeah, now we can finish putting the light. So we got it mounted. Now what's left is put the bumper clips back in, which he's doing already. Started.
Wait for new ones.
And then next is to wire it, and that should be it. And then we see if it works. So now we gotta take this cover off, which take that out and that
get some and
out.
bring them home. I keep on forgetting when
And
I'm
I
at
think
work.
that's it.
Think deeply as I sink finally.
Alright, so we got this uncovered. Now we gotta test these wires, see which one is power for the running lights and what's power for the reverse lights. And then we'll hook it up. Alright, so we got everything hooked up. There's for the brake light. Everything back here is hooked up for the running light and reverse light. Now I'm just gonna zip tie everything up, button everything back up, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so got everything buttoned up, put back together. Everything zip tied up, nice and somewhat neat. So now, if Tony will be nice, maybe he'll go turn the lights on and press the brake. Alright, so there's the brakes. So that's the running light. So there's the reverse light. Yeah, so that's everything. Thanks for your help.
I didn't do that.
Me neither.
Who did it then?
I don't know.
The world may never know.
So, if you like what you saw, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought. If you have done this to your Subaru or anything else, put a comment down below with a picture. If you have any other suggestions of what we should do, let us know. Don't forget to subscribe and then hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video. And yeah, so that's how to put the fourth brake light in a Subaru. Bye!